Hare Krishna, everyone. Welcome to Bhakti Sangha Japa conference call. Today we are very fortunate to have Srinivas Ananda Prabhuji to enlighten us on the topic of Krishna Katha. Before that, I would like to hand over the call to Preeti Vilasni Mataji for the brief introduction of Srinivas Ananda Prabhu. Please take over, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Yes, Mataji. Thank you all so much for joining today. I welcome everyone to Bhakti Sangha Japa conference call. We are continuing our Krishna Katha Mela series, and today I'm extremely fortunate to be introducing His Grace Srinivasana Anand Prabhu to all of you. Srinivas Anand Prabhu was introduced to ISKCON in 2006 in Atlanta through his roommate, His Grace Shashidhar Prabhu. He was later initiated in 2013 by His Holiness Radhanath Swami Maharaj. Prabhu is known among the devotees in Atlanta, especially for his dedicated service mode, simplicity of heart, and humility in the mood of service. He's a great Bhakti Vriksha leader in Atlanta, and he conducts regular home programs, hosting several sannyasis and traveling preachers. He has inspired tons of people to take up Krishna consciousness. He serves in all the temple programs in the mood of the servant of servant. And in Bhakti Sangha, Prabhu has consistently been serving for many years by maintaining the early morning classes drive, which is a very huge task and requires regular updates on a weekly basis. So he's very, very vigilant in his service. He has never missed a single recording, and he's always kept the drive up to date. So it's a huge task, and thanks to him that we have access to all the recordings from time to time. So we are very, very happy to him. We are very, very happy to have him as a part of our team. And I'm really honored that he could make some time for all of us, and he would be sharing his realizations. He would be speaking from Krishna book, and the topic chosen as Krishna defeats all the princes and takes Rukmini back home to Dwaraka. Hare Krishna Prabhu, you can now take over the call. Thank you so much for being with us today. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Yeah, Hare Krishna. So I think Mataji said most of the things are not right on that, So I'm not that great what Mataji said. So please forgive me. So I have been hearing these recordings. Every day the Mataji Prabhus are giving. So that by hearing those things, I understood you have. The same thing I shared with the Mother Vinaya Mataji. The same thing, so that you are very exalted, and then you are keeping up this program so long, and then you are helping so many people. Yeah, this will be very helpful to me also. And then the topic I'm going to share as my purification only, not for enlighten my the realizations or to Hare Krishna. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Swamiti Namane Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravane Pracharne Nirvishesha Sunyavadi Pachatta Desha Tarine Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vranda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So this is a very big topic. Only very exalted devotees can talk about Mother Rukmini here, but yeah, I will try to share what I heard from my Guru Maharaj and then our acharyas. So please bless me to share Krishna Katha. So we all know that Krishna appeared primarily for 3 reasons, right? So that our acharyas what was telling that okay, that were not the main reasons to appear Krishna in this material planet.
Prabhu, sorry to interrupt in between. Can you raise the volume or speak a little louder because many of us are not able to hear clearly?
So how about now, Mataji?
Yeah, this is
Okay. So the Krishna appeared for mainly three reasons, right? So that everyone talk about in the Bhagavad Gita. So paritranaya sadhuna vinachaya duskritam dharma samsthapanam. So for these primary reasons, what our Acharya was talking, the Krishna need not appear. So that Krishna's representatives like our Jagadguru Srila Prabhupada appeared, he re-established the Dharma. And then if he want to, Krishna want to annihilate him, then his representative is good enough. Or Krishna can do some small magic, and then that the miscreants can be easily annihilated. So he doesn't need to appear. The primary reason he appeared, anugrahaya bhaktana manusham deham ashrita bhajate tadrisha krida ya srutva tat paro bhave anugrahaya bhaktana. So that by mercy, I mean by Krishna's mercy, right? He took the form of the human-like body, bhajate tadrisha krida, so that he performs the wonderful wonderful the superhuman the activities, so that what yat shrutva ya shrutva, by hearing those the pastimes, tat paro bhave, so that we can surrender the souls, we can surrender to Krishna. So that many of the souls, by hearing Krishna katha, by continuously hearing Krishna katha, we all able to do some seva to Krishna, right? So this is the main reason. Anugraya bhaktanam. So mainly for the towards mercy towards the devotees, huh? Towards his devotees, Manusham Deham Astita. So he took the human life form. So with thus, yeah, Srutva Tat Paro Bhave, by hearing those pastimes continuously, so that but hearing those pastimes, from whom we have to hear also, right? Whom we have to hear, and then what should we have? What should we have to get it? So that by hearing the Krishna Katha, okay, here Mother Rukmini's father name was Bhishmaka, and then he is the very pious king, very good devotee of the Lord. And then he I mean, the devotee's affinity right towards the devotee. Wherever he can go, hear some Krishna Katha, do some seva, they are easily attracted. So that the Bhishmaka, the Maharaj, right? One time he announced also, all the devotees who want to do serve, they all can come. They all can come, and then I can take care of you. So that these devotees, from different parts of the city, they come and then take part in the Krishna Katha, and then they talk Krishna Katha days and days and days. So Rukmini heard one again and again. She heard, huh? She heard, and then she she heard, right, as the Ato said that. I mean, you have to have the faith. First of all, we have to understand the Krishna Katha. We have to have the faith, and then to sadhu sangha. So by association of the great devotee, he can deliver the many souls. Right? So that the impersonalists, the great philosophers, they can talk Krishna Katha, they can recite the many slokas, but they cannot deliver anyone. Only they can deliver, but if they are pure, if their soul is surrendered to Krishna, and then they can give the message, and then that message has the good potency. With that potency, I mean, they can give that Krishna prema. So, but with right, our Jagat Guru Srila Prabhupada, so that he has the so pure devotee of the Lord, and then he can deliver so many souls, right? Who didn't know about anything the Krishna, and then this is very new to them. I mean, they haven't heard about Krishna also, but those people now are in a great leaders in our movement. So that we have to hear the Krishna Katha from that such people only. But yeah, other place also Prabhupada told that suppose one speaker is talking the Krishna Katha, he is not the pure. I mean, he is not the great, he is not that great, but the listener, right, audience who are very inquisitive to hear Krishna Katha, and then Krishna will give the mercy to understand the Krishna Katha. So like that, your mother Rukmini heard this about Krishna again and again, again and again. She had a strong feeling that okay, I have to serve Krishna. And other than that, she cannot imagine. Okay, I have to serve only Krishna. Her life and soul for Krishna only. So that you know, so we have to learn. I mean, mother, these pastimes we all know, but what we learn from this is very important. Huh? So in the 52 chapter, right, there was a nice verse. Yashangri Pankaja Raja Snapanam Mahanto Vachanti Umapatir Ivat Matamopathi Yarhi Ambujakshana Labhena Bhavat Prasadam Jahyamasunu Rata Krishan Sata Janmavi Shat. So that so first, right, when we are praying Krishna, when you are asking something Krishna, first we have to praise Krishna. In a material also, right? If you want something, we have to go to them. We don't ask the straight away, okay, I want this, I want this, I want. So that we will praise for some time, you do this, you do that, you do that. Like the same in the Krishna also. So she's praising Krishna. Yashangri Pankaja Rajas Napanam Mahanto Vachanti Umapatir Ivatma Patya. So that, you know, Yerhi Ambujaksha, oh lotus side Krishna. So the like Lord Shiva, like great souls are there hankering for your lotus yeah, dust. They're hankering. By with that lotus dust, they do bath and then they remove their ignorances. They remove their ignorances. And then Nalabena Bhavat Prasad. If I don't get such prasadam, Jahayam Asun, I will leave my I leave my Asun life here, and then what she will do? Shata Janma Vishyat. So that I will live my life here now, and then I will try to do hundreds of lifetimes this seva until I get your mercy. So that here the endurance, right? So that okay, suppose we have been doing 16 rounds, okay. Then we are feeling that okay, I haven't get Krishna Prema, I haven't get Krishna Prema. That mercy will come. Definitely will come, but we were not sure we'll get this lifetime or many lifetimes you have to take. We until I mean she was telling that until I will be pure enough to get your mercy. Nalabhena Bhavat Prasadam Jahya Masur Shata Janma Vishat. So hundreds of lifetimes. So yeah, this is our key. So that whatever seva we are doing it, we don't expect anything, but right? So that we have to keep doing it, and keep doing it. So that there is a yeah, even in the right. So this is very relevant topic to us. So that she is in the same situation like us only, same situation like us, and then she wants Krishna, and then same Krishna also wants her, and then he is then within the soul of everyone. Krishna knows what we desire for, and then Krishna wants, and then everyone knows. And then she gave this message to her father Bhishmaka, and then Bhishmaka is a great devotee of the Lord. He's happy, and then but right, his son Rukmi, so he has to listen to him. In the old, like right in that Mahabharata also, Dhritarashtra has his son Duryodhana. Even he is a neutral. Duryodhana, whatever wants, his father has to go. That elder son, what aggressive elder son, what he wants, then your father wants to obey his orders also. Though so that he was neutral now. Bhishmaka was neutral, but so Rukmini wants it. But Shishpal wants to marry. Shishpal is Krishna's cousin. So that we all know he was the very day, I mean, day born onwards, he was the very inimical to Krishna. Huh? So he's not an ordinary. He's a very great demon. You can say like that. He's the insist. He's the lineage of that Hiranyakshu, Hiranyakashipu, and then Ravana, Kumbhakarna, and then Shishupal, Dantavakra. So he's not ordinary. And then, so Krishna, I mean, he wants to marry his sister to his friend Rukmi because he didn't like Krishna. Rukmi also didn't like Krishna because he wants something and then Krishna don't allow him to do that. If you are inimical to Krishna, you don't get anything. If you are closer to Krishna and then Krishna comes do service to you instead of you are getting the service from Krishna. But yes, such a great mercy you can get it. But here Rukmi is very inimical to Krishna, and then he wants to give his sister to Shishupal. So Shishupal, okay, so this is the mm, mm, so Shishupal, I mean, they all came. Shishupal also came, and then Rukmini was it. So Rukmini's marriage is different than others, right? In those days, the kings, I mean, the princess has the Swayamvara and all. Who wins that Swayamvara, and then they get married. But this is the different, Rukmini's marriage style is a different. In the Rakshasa style, it happened. He wants to happen like that only. So she sent a letter to Krishna through the Brahmana, like that, I am in that the amidst the sufferings, so that please come and then help me. And then otherwise I will give my life aid until Shata Janma Vishap, until hundreds of lifetimes. And then Krishna came. I mean, she made a plan, everything, how she has to come, because she's a Kshatriya. She knows the Kshatriya, how the war things happen, how the armies are orchestrated, everything she knows, even though she is a woman, but yeah, she knows everything. So that she orchestrated her plan, and then like that you can come, and then I will go that day to the Amba temple, and then from Amba temple he can kidnap me. So that, yeah, because in the home, right, so that she is the same situation like as I told, right, because she only wants Krishna, and then her aunts, right, her including her own brother, right, so that nobody wants to give, I mean, nobody wants to listen to her. So that this is the same thing happened to us also, right? So that our friends, our families, our relatives, if I want to go to Krishna temple, they don't allow us. So that, yeah, normal temples they allow us, but they have a strong feeling that okay, if they go to Krishna temple, okay, they leave everything and then they join as a sannyasi, as a brahmachari. Like that, they have the strong feeling they don't allow. So that all of them want to us to okay, enjoy with them. Like that, their enjoy is different. Drinking, eating, meeting, yeah, all these people they want. Even our parents, right? They don't want allow. So that even though they are suffering again and again, they are suffering, but they want us to do the same suffering with but they feeling as that is the enjoyment. Right? Here and Raghunath Das Goswami in the same, and then he wants to go to the Krishna every day that his soldiers they grab him and then put him back. Every day he goes, he will come back. But he finally by months. So and then here is the other key point also. Krishna don't give them mercy easily. So that if you want to go to Krishna immediately, okay, yeah, come. If you want to go to the yeah, Maya, just one step you make, 100 steps, she come forward, she will take easily. But Krishna, he won't come that easily. So that, yeah, he came as a form of Yadunandana Acharya, and then he helped the Raghunandan Das Goswami to come out of that is the big pastime. I don't want to go that. So yeah, Rukmini also, even, right, all the devotees who have been so suffering so much, right? So, even his own parents, Vasudeva, Devaki, they haven't get Krishna that easily, right? So that, yeah, one of our Acharya was telling that success of the devotee is not like that, the no sufferings, no miseries. Success of the devotees, amidst of the problems also, if you are able to remember Krishna, that is the success of the devotee. So here, right, the Rukmini at the end point only, right? He came at the end, so that she has a strong faith. Okay, my Krishna will come and then take me. But right, so that we should have that faith until the last moment, so that we have the strong faith. With that faith, and then the faith, strong faith, and then that Sadhu Sangha we needed, and then the Shravanam also the first one. So these three things very important in the devotional, in the service. We have to have a good Sadhu Sangha association. We always needed, so that so that so that when you go on the roads, right, highways, right, and then they put the stripes at the end, so that you don't go out of that one, and then they tuck that the the sound will come, right, and then you know that okay, I'm deviating, so that I have to bring it back to the into in between the lanes. So like that, right, our sadhu sangha, that the association is like that, they not only the help you to come up, they help you not to go the deviation also. Always put into that association of Krishna only. I mean, association always, they make you to association of the Krishna. And then, okay, Mother Krishna, yeah, took the Rukmini from that, from on the way, so that when Mother Rukmini coming out of the temple, Mother Rukmini was so beautiful, right? So all these princes saw that they are infatuated, and then this Shishupal also saw that he was very infatuated, so that they all want, the Shishupal wants very badly, and then now he was thinking like, okay, so I want everything, but Krishna didn't allow me to take anything. But now this is the revenge I can take. So Krishna wants Rukmini, so that I can, whatever he wants, right, I am taking her. So that he fixed it. Okay, I am going to marry Rukmini. Rukmini is my property. So that he was.
Prabhu, can you keep the computer a little closer? Many people are again not able to hear.
Yeah.
Sorry for disturbing you.
Yes. So yeah, but Shishupal was thinking that, so that okay, Mother Rukmini is my property. Now I can take the revenge on Krishna, because Krishna took everything out of me. He didn't allow me, but now I can take the Krishna's property. Now I can take the Krishna's property. He was thinking like that, and then that point of time Krishna came and then took the Mother Rukmini. So this is the same thing, right? Even the material life also, we want, okay, we have something, we were enjoying something, we are about to enjoy the something, and then we may leave the body, and then that will be gone. So that we shouldn't be rely on that, okay, this is my property, and I will enjoy this property. So we shouldn't think of that. We always think as this is all Krishna's property. I will be the taker of the Krishna's property. Okay. So Mother Rukmini, when Krishna took Mother Rukmini onto his, and then Mother Rukmini didn't think of that. Okay, what happened to my family? Because she came from the royal family, so she came from the. She has a good name. Her father, her mother, all the ancestors has a very good name. So if I go with Krishna, what these people think of me? What people think of my father? And then how they taken care of me, like that. She didn't think of those things. Just she came. She wanted Krishna, and then she came. So this is the same thing to us also, right? When you go out, right, when then with that, the with the bead bag, with tilak on our forehead, and then the kantimala and all, people may think, okay, he's abnormal, like that, right? But we shouldn't think of those things. We want Krishna, and then we want special among all these people. We should special, so that we always has to follow these Rukmini. How she did Rukmini, she didn't take care of anything, so she didn't care for anything, whatever that, she care only for Krishna. Whether I want Krishna, I want to serve Krishna, so that Krishna can, I am the property of Krishna. Whatever she want to do it, whatever he want to do it, he can do it. So like that, so her whole soul for Krishna only. She didn't think anything about her parents or her name. I mean, or those things. And now, okay, Krishna took, right? Then Krishna, the army, right? Once she told that he bring the army, and then Krishna introducing, okay, because if the father has the bungalow, some father has the car, any property, it will belongs to everyone in the whole family, right? So now he sees a part of Krishna. So that our entire army, he introducing entire army. So that's our army now. because she is now the Krishna is it. She is now Krishna is right. Whatever Krishna has it, all are the Krishna's property. All are her property too. So that as we told in the spiritual world also, right? All the things are right. Whatever they see, then they feel like their own property, but not not in the material world. Okay, this is my property. I can enjoy like that. Not like that. Okay, they will be treated as okay. This is my property, and then with this I can I can make things have to please Krishna. So like that, the consciousness will be just slightly different than the material world. So see, he introduced everything to her. And now, right, she's taking that, and then now Rukmi saw that, and then Rukmi army. So here, one more thing, Shishupal is invited the chief guest as yeah, Jarasandha. Jarasandha is a very, I mean, enemy. He's very inimical, right? So Krishna killed the Kamsa. The Kamsa is yes son-in-law, so that he make his daughter, two daughters, widows, right? So that he was very inimical. He is very inimical, like his his son-in-law, right? How his son-in-law inimical, and then so the Kamsa in the previous life he is the he is the Kalanemi, and then this is the okay big yeah, he is a very 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 poisonous, and then this Kalanemi was killed by Lord Vishnu in the Samudra Manthan, the past time, right? So in that he was very envious to Lord Vishnu, so that he wants to kill Vishnu. So like that in the same mood he left the body, right? So that uh, so that whatever at the yeah, whatever at the end of the life we have it. Yam yam vapi sparam bhavam yadhadante kalevaram. So that whatever the yeah, consciousness we have, and then we will the next life is the same. So Kamsa came like with the same inimical, and then he so he is a very inimical. So Kamsa, that he when he was young, he was the good wrestler. He used to go to the place to place, and then all the people he used to defeat. At the end of this his defeat, he about to kill that opponent, and then at the end he take the vow from them, so that if you okay, he's okay, if you I'll kill you if you want to survive, and then you have to be he is servant of mine and entire your life. So like that he has been to throughout the world. He 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 got the victory. So that he was thinking like that. Right now, I have so many servants, so many demons. So I can conquer Vishnu. I can conquer Vishnu. So that in that consciousness he has it. So that finally he lost. He did from Krishna with the one fist, and then now the Jarasandha he gave the promise to his daughters like that. Okay, I will kill Krishna so that he will be happy. So, so now he is the chief guest. Such enemy, he is the chief guest. In that, right, Shishupal is enemy, so that you all know, right, the devotee has the devotee association. So the drunkard has the drunkard association, like that. These enemies, all Krishna's enemies, are the associations of Shishupal, the Jarasandha. Huh? So and then that by seeing that army, right? So that Krishna's army was very wherever Yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, right? Wherever Yatra Bhardo Dhanurdharat Tatra Sriyo Vijayo Bhuti Dhruva Nitir Matir. Wherever Krishna is there, so that the Vijayam, that the victory is there, right? So that Krishna army is is killing all these armies, and then by seeing these things, and then Shishupal got Shishupal Shishpal got disappointed. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Jarasandha also got disappointed. And now you see, right, the Gnana, what Gnana Jarasandha has it. Jarasandha has a very good, scriptural, scriptural knowledge he has it, like very abundant of scriptural knowledge he have it. Like, right, Hiranyakashipu, right? When Hiranyakshu did it, so that he was explaining to the whole family, Hiranyakashipu, okay, yeah, this is not everything is driven by the Supreme Lord, and then whatever he will, he is the controller. You cannot control like that, this is the destiny. So that Jarasandha also talking the same thing. So the destiny, this is the destiny. So that now it is the bad time for us. So now when the good everything is controlled by the Supreme Lord, and then but the Gnan, right? That they have the Gnan, but since they don't have the bhakti, they don't know Krishna is the Supreme Lord. So and then they want to kill Krishna, but they don't know that the Krishna is the Supreme Lord with the they have the Gnan, but they don't have the bhakti. So that he is giving the knowledge to Shishupal. Shishupal, you don't need to worry. And then now, this is a bad time for us. Now our army we lost it. But right, when the good time come for us, and then we can defeat Krishna easily. So you don't worry. Even he was giving his own personal examples like that. I have gathered army 23 Akshoinis, 17, 17, 17, 17 17 times I attacked Krishna, but right, I defeat him. I lost it. But right, I never happy and then rejoice, unhappy and then rejoice. So that situation, so that we have to be equal. When you lose or when you win or you lost, you have to be equal like that. So he has a so good gnan. But right, but he only the problem is he didn't, since he is an enemy. Uh, so that yeah. So in the Bhagavad Gita also told, right? Krishna to Arjuna, I am giving this secret to you because you are non-envious. So that should have that. As a devotee, we should have that. Have the same context. Suppose my my friend or my devotee, next to me, and then in my association, suppose one of the devotee getting good opportunity, either be in the temple or in the seva, so that we have to help her, help he and she. We have to help them, but not we should not envy. Okay, why she is always getting the good opportunity? Why I'm not getting that? So that we should not look her or him. What are the drawbacks they have it? So that this is the very normal tendency. So like that, we want to be discourage them by speaking the words whichever they are in the lack. So that behavior we should not have it. So that I mean, Ramchandra Prabhu always told to them, Prabhu, everybody is not a good leader, not a leader, but right, what we have to do it, we have to help those leaders so that our movement will go. And we should not be discouraged ourselves, so that why I'm not getting it. But the seva, whatever seva we have to do it, we have to do it. So as Prabhupada also told that in the temple priest and then in a temple, the who cleaning the dishes, they will get the same sukruti, whatever they get it, the same sukruti. There is no difference between the temple, the priest and as well, and in the who the cleaning the dishes. So here, yeah. So that envious mentality, right? So these people has a very envious mentality, and then now all these armies are done, uh, and then who survived, and then they left the home, and then who dead, they were there only. Now the Rukmi came home. Rukmi came home, and then he took the bow, and then he making a ready his his charioteer like that will go. I will kill Krishna, and then he make the vow. He make the vow like that. Okay, I don't come and see, stay here until I kill Krishna, and then I will bring my younger sister Rukmini, so that he don't know that who is Krishna, but he took the vow like he, and then he made a promise to everybody like that. Okay, I'll kill Krishna, and then I'll bring back my younger sister. Otherwise, I don't come. So that he was attacking, he was attacking with his armies and all, but right, he defeated, and then finally, and he is alone right now. He's alone, and then so his chariot got broken. Right, his weapons, like all these weapons, like all these weapons, whatever he used to shoot, and then Krishna make very easily in the break them. So nothing happened to Krishna, and then Krishna So that in opposite, Krishna make the arrows, and then his chariot got broken, right? His horses cannot move like that. And then now he was very angrily, and then took the sword, and then he's going towards Krishna with his very anger. And then when he's going towards to Krishna, so that, and then Krishna the broke his sword also. And then now Krishna took the arrow, and then he wants to kill uh, kill Rukmini. But right, Mother Rukmini uh, hold Krishna's lotus feet, and then she's begging. So that if he leaves, and then Krishna kill Rukmini is dead. So here is the devotee. See, right? So that Rukmini wants her sister, whatever she didn't like to Shishupal, and then he want to give it to him. But Rukmini shows that how compassionate she is. See, so that even such a bad brother also, she is not pleading Krishna. No, 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 please don't kill my brother. Don't kill my brother. So like that in the Prahlad also, right? Same thing, right? He 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 tortured by his father, many ways he tortured, but he requesting Lord to save. I mean, please forgive my ignorant father. So this is the compassionate, even our one of our, I mean, the fellow devotee, he made some aparad or something, and then we should not be, envious towards him, right? We should show compassionate. We should pray for them. We should pray for them. So because of he is wrong, he is doing ignorantly, so that we have to pray to Krishna like that, so that he can Krishna can show mercy on him, and then he will change his attitude. So like that. So these, and then Mother Rukmini told the Krishna's lotus feet, please, please, please don't kill my brother. And then Krishna with this the piece of cloth, and then he 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 bounded Rukmini and Rukmi, and then he shave his head, and then he shave mustache. The yeah, yeah, the dishonor is worse than the death. As a Kshatriya, right? He has to have the big mustache, and then big hair, and then like that. Once he shave, and then he will be very, he lost everything. He is almost dead. Right? But without killing him, he killed him. Without yeah, yeah, without killing Rukmi, he killed his ego, right? That he has very pride, so that okay, I can do that, I can kill Krishna. He has dependent on his own strength, not on the not dependent on the Lord's strength, so that he killed that ego by shaving his head and then the mustache. Now, in the Lord Balaram intervened. Krishna is our relative. We should not kill our relative. Like that, he was the talking, and then he told to Rukmi also, this is not a good sign to attack your well-wisher. And then he consoled the mother Rukmini also. So like that, here, please excuse, uh, we did the disfigure Rukmi, so that, yeah, please excuse, so that he consoled her. And then now I mean, right, even though she left her home, but right, especially women has towards their home, there's so much love that, compared to the gents, the women has too much affection to their home, their parents, their brothers, like that. Even though Rukmini came out from home, Rukmini, but she has too much uh, attraction, I mean, to his family also. And then, okay, Lord Balaram consoled her and convinced her. She is very strong, very good. She is very strong. She understood the things, what happened and then what not to happen, all the things. And then, so Krishna took her to the Dwaraka, and then he got the marriage with Rukmini. All the inhabitants of Dwaraka, they were very happy. And then, by seeing the uniting the Rukmini and then Krishna, they were very happy to see that. So yeah, Hare Krishna. So Yeah, any, yeah, Prithvi Vilasini Mataji, others, yeah, please add. Please add.
Thank you so much, Prabhu. Very, very sweet narration. And I could see that you were completely involved in the pastime. You were like expressing the entire pastime so beautifully, the lessons of proper devotee association and then non-enviousness. And then, of course, how you were explaining that this Jarasandha, he was giving, his own philosophy there. Everything was very, very interesting. And finally, how the Kshatriya's ego was killed. He was not directly killed. I thought that was a very beautiful point as well. Thank you so much, Prabhu. Very sweet class. And thank you for your association. Thank you. Hare Krishna. I don't have any questions, but anyone else who has questions or any comments, please go ahead. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, Srinivas Anand Prabhuji, Dandavat Pranam. What a beautiful class, Prabhuji. Thank you so much for coming on the call, taking your time. We know it's office hours, but still you took the time and giving the class a very beautiful explanation how you are telling the faith is very important and the Tilak, this kanti, everything is important. We should not feel shy to wear them, and we should always wear it. And a very beautiful explanation, Prabhuji, each and every point that we think that this is ours, but it's not ours. It's all Krishna's, whatever we have. So thank you so much, Prabhuji. The beautiful explanation how you gave. Even the devotee, somebody is hurting us or somebody doing wrong. We should not think that okay, they are doing wrong. Okay, we leave them. No, we should help them. Like how Rukmini was thinking about his brother. You were explaining that situation. So beautiful, Prabhuji. Very, very beautiful class. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Is there anybody who would like to speak?
Yeah, Hare Krishna, Prabhu. I was also thinking, like Balram was the one who stopped Krishna from really harming Rukmi, but ultimately it was Balram who killed Rukmi, right, towards the end. So you have any comments on that, Prabhu? Thank you.
Hare Krishna, Srinivas Prabhu, Koti Koti Dandavat Pranam, Srila Prabhupada, Srila Gurudev ki jai, Shri Radha Gopinath ki jai. I want to say that our Srinivas Prabhu, respected H.G. Srinivas Prabhuji, is so sincere Vaishnava. I have seen them in H.G. Ram Prabhuji class. He is attending so sincerely Seva, and especially he prepared a 23-24 Bhakti Devi Srimati Sisi Tulsi Maharani's small pot and give it to Vaishnava. That Seva, Prabhuji, I started to continue from last year, learn from you. And yes, Prabhuji, we have to take a DOT's association is very important in our life, Prabhuji. We have do some aparadh, so many aparadhs last birth. So that is like in a Gujarati it's told सुई का सुड़ी का घा सुई से गया, मतलब so they sometimes if they say something that is like a needle of the needle of the sui, and we have to just hold the Vaishnav's lotus feet tightly so that we can learn them and we can correct ourselves, Prabhuji. I have seen that you cook lots of prasadam for G. Ram Prabhuji's class, Prabhuji, and word to word I make a note but not able to I make your notes word to word that Vakra all the Prabhuji, all the Rukmani Maharanis, and that Sisupal said that 17 times he उन्होंने हराया था भगवान को, और फिर भी वो मतलब जिसके साथ रहते हैं, अगर you are staying with non-devotee, you become like non-devotee only, and if you stay with the devotee, उनके सब गुण आपके अंदर आ जाते। एंड यू एक्सप्लेन, श्रीमती शशि रुक्मिणी महारानी ने कभी नहीं देखा था लॉर्ड कृष्णा को, पर उन्हें पूरा भरोसा था कि वो आएंगे। एंड शी वेंट विथ हर friend to Srimati Sisi Amba Maharani's temple, and from there Lord Krishna is taking them, and जब वो शिशुपाल का रथ भी टूट जाता है और शिशुपाल का ईगो टूट जाता है, first of all they break the ego of शिशुपाल, and वो ऑलमोस्ट फिर श्रीमती रुक्मिणी महारानी की बिनती से वो उनको नहीं वो होने देते, मारते नहीं है। So this is the quality of Vaishnava. So we have to hold all the Vaishnavas lotus feet tightly, that we get the mercy of that. उनके अंदर जो अच्छे गुण होते हैं वो आते हैं हमारे के अंदर। श्रीनिवास प्रभु, I have seen that you are doing seva so sincerely. You and H.G. Vardhana Gopi are the main pillar of H.G. Ram Prabhuji's class. I have seen that when there is a 6-hour kirtan in your home, you are so eagerly serve Vaishnava so nicely, Prabhuji. And especially you train your 2 gopis. They you involve in all the pujas, aartis, and japas, and in technical programs. Hari Hari Gauranga, no words to your sincere seva. Srila Prabhupada, Srila Gurudev, Shri Radha Gopinath ki jai. Please give your association regularly, Srinivas Prabhu. Hare Krishna, Dandvat Pranam to your seva.
Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna, is there anybody speaking?
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, Dandavats Pranam all goes to Prabhupada. This is Vatna Prabhu. Thank you so much for wonderful class, Prabhu. We regularly hear Prabhuji classes, and he is the one who is motivating us in our Bhakti Vriksha. Thank you so much, Prabhuji, coming on to the Bhakti Sangha conference call. Thank you, Prabhu. I don't have any question, just I would like to thank you.
You all know about Vardhana Mataji or not, she is very sincere. Actually, yeah, in Vrunda Gopi Mataji said, that was not correct. Actually, the prasadam, right? We had the big group, like the 60-70 people group, and then Vardhana Mataji and then Madhavi Manjari Mataji used to take care of everything, So that, yeah, from starting to end. So yeah, because of that, we never had the problem of the prasadam. They used to cook big.
Very well. Thank you, Vardhana Mataji. We are also waiting to eat the prasadam from your cooked hand, Mataji, with your lotus hand. One day we will also.
Sure, Mataji. Next time when you visit Atlanta, definitely, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji. Thank you so much. Is there anybody who would like to speak? There are no more realizations or questions. We can end the call here. I would like to offer my obeisances to Prabhuji and all the Vaishnavas assembled on the call. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namah. Ananta koti Vaishnav Vrind ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai, Srinivas Ananda Prabhuji ki jai. Thank you so much, Prabhuji, for your association and beautiful class. Hari Bol. So we will meet again for tomorrow. Another beautiful session. Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji,
Prabhu, koti Dandvat Pranam. Thank you, Prabhuji, for your
Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna, everyone. Closing the call, dear devotees. Hari Bol.
Hari